Hi everybody, this is Joey Heier, Crystal Clear Recording Studio and Video Production in downtown Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I'm sitting here with a great student by the name of Cody Simmonds, and we are talking about how we're able to do music notation in Pro Tools, where we play it in and we print it out, and we're talking about all the things that we're learning here with the recording connection. And I would like you to please listen to my boy Cody.
Hi, so I started, gotta get the logo. So I started learning how to use audio editing software for my own band. And at the time, it was all just learning through YouTube, learning through whatever I could find on the internet, and just playing around. And I had a knack for it, but it was frustrating. And finding info can get incredibly frustrating, especially every time you turn around, somebody says, pay me X amount of dollars and I'll give you everything, and they give you almost nothing. And recording connection, when I first started there, I had a feeling it was going to be better, but as soon as I met Uncle Joey, it started off better, and the longer we've been together, the more every week I step in here, I find out about things I never knew existed in Pro Tools, things I never knew I could do with a DAW, and ways that I knew I was doing things not the best way, but finding the way that is the best way is so easy here that it takes just the time to show up, read the stuff, and it opens up the door like I never imagined.
Thank you very much. Have a nice afternoon from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.